All right, so back when I was a Power BI developer, ETL tools were actually a part of my tech stack. So in this video, I'm breaking down some of the most popular ETL tools grouped by specific category. So this isn't a ranking, but rather a list of great tools for specific purposes. So whether you're a solo analyst trying to automate some reporting or part of a growing team that's scaling data pipelines, this will give you a clear picture of what tool you could use and when. We'll also cover how these tools fit together in a modern data workflow so you can actually visualize how these tools work end to end. All right, so what this video is not. It is not a full engineering tech stack, nor is it a how to become a data engineer video. There is way more on that topic that I am not qualified to speak about. What this video is, it is a breakdown of some popular ETL tools, what they are and where they fit. Okay. Let's jump in. First off, before we dive in, let's take a second to define what ETL actually means and where it fits into a modern data workflow. ETL stands for extract, transform, and load. Extract is pulling data from a source like a CRM, a database, or even a spreadsheet. Transform is cleaning and reshaping that data. And load is pushing that data somewhere like a data warehouse or a reporting tool. In a modern data stack, ETL tools prepare your data. And this is actually a big prerequisite for analysis and reporting. Some tools handle all these steps and some handle just one, like dbt, which we'll get to in a bit. So what does this look like in practice? Let's say your company uses HubSpot for marketing, Salesforce for sales, and a MySQL database for internal operations. An ETL tool might extract that data, clean it, combine it, and then load it into a centralized warehouse like BigQuery or Snowflake. From there, tools like dbt help you model the data into clean tables. And then BI tools like Power BI or Tableau help you create reports on top of it. So ETL tools move data across applications. All right, so finally, now let's cover some specific tools. Category 1, best no-code cloud ETL. One of the best no-code cloud ETLs that I've come across is Skyvia. Skyvia is very flexible and makes it easy to move data between platforms without writing any code. So platforms like Salesforce, Google Sheets, or SQL Server. Just pick your source and your destination, and there you go. It also allows for all-in-one integration and allows for many scenarios beyond basic ETL. Things like ETL, reverse ETL, one-way and bi-directional sync, data migration, workflow automation, and real-time data connectivity. And all of this through a drag and drop interface, which is incredibly user-friendly. There's also enterprise-grade trust and security. So Skyvia has over 200 pre-built connectors and is trusted by some pretty big names like Hyundai and General Electric. It's hosted on Microsoft Azure with compliance certifications like SOC 2 and ISO to make sure your data stays secure. And Skyvia is sponsoring this video, but they're honestly a great option for this spot. Flexible pricing and a freemium model, Skyvia is one of the most accessible and complete no-code cloud ETL options out there. Okay, now for category 2, best for complex pipeline orchestration. Now, let's say you're working on something a bit more advanced, something like orchestrating workflows across multiple systems. Apache Airflow lets you build and schedule multi-step pipelines with complete control, whether that's retries, dependencies, error handling, or whatever. It's also open source and Python based, so it's incredibly customizable. You can write your own logic and build your own operators. So if you can think it, you can probably build it with Apache Airflow. And it's also very much proven at scale. This tool is an industry standard for companies running super serious data operations. Companies like Airbnb and Stripe, big tech names. It's not very beginner friendly, but it is insanely powerful. So if your team is engineering heavy or you're building something complex and custom, Apache Airflow is pretty tough to beat. Next, category 3, best fully managed ELT. And ELT is extract, load, and transform, which is different from ETL, which is extract, transform, and load. And a great option for this is Fivetran. Fivetran handles everything from ingestion to schema updates to monitoring. So fully managed pipelines. You just set it once and you forget it. It's another tool that is very enterprise ready and used by some big names. It's another tool that scales really well and is quite reliable. It has an awesome library of pre-built connectors. So if you need to connect anything to your data warehouse, Fivetran probably has it. It's not cheap, but if you want minimum maintenance and maximum reliability, scalability, Fivetran is elite. Next up, category 4, best for data transformation. So once your data is already in the warehouse, you have one big job left, and that's cleaning it up and modeling it. That's where dbt comes in. So dbt gives you SQL-powered modeling and lets you run SQL-based models that performs transformations. You write the SQL, dbt handles the execution, ordering, and dependencies. It also includes testing and documentation features. So this is huge for data quality and team collaboration. And in many ways, dbt has become a standard for data transformation. If you're working with tools like Snowflake, BigQuery, or Redshift, dbt is what ties it all together. So if you're serious about ETL, dbt should be a part of your tech stack. Category 5, best for open source data ingestion, Airbyte. So if you want flexibility and control without giving up automation, Airbyte is worth a look. It's open source, so you can self-host and tweak it however you want. That's huge if you care about customization and keeping your tech stack in-house. It also has a rapidly growing library of connectors, and you can create your own. They also have a managed cloud version if you want all the benefits without the hosting overhead. Airbyte is great if you want more control than Fivetran, but you're not ready to build all your own custom data pipelines. Before we wrap up, here are a few things to consider before deciding which ETL tool is right for you. The first is data volume. Are you moving a few thousand rows or millions? Tools like Fivetran and Apache Airflow are great at scale, but might be overkill for smaller jobs. The second is team skill set. Do you have access to engineers, or are you a solo analyst wearing many hats? If it's the latter, then a no-code option like Skyvia might be the better fit. And the third is transformation needs. Do you need to clean and model the data before reporting? If so, a tool like dbt would be great to implement. The right ETL tool is the one that solves your current problem without adding unnecessary complexity. So those are my picks for some of the best ETL tools to use, organized by the problem that they're solving. Let's do a quick recap. So Skyvia for no-code data movement, Apache Airflow for complex workflows, Fivetran for fully managed ELT, dbt for transformation and modeling, and Airbyte for open source flexibility. Hopefully that helps you make a little bit of sense of the ETL landscape, especially if you are just trying to level up as an analyst, or you're trying to get into analytics engineering and want to expand your skill set. Thanks again for watching. If you made it this far, please like and subscribe, as it does help the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.